Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex. As you guys can see by today's title, I have quite a lot of makeup to unbox for you guys. I have some stuff here from Colourpop and then a massive box from e.l.f. Cosmetics, so I'm gonna get into that, show you guys what I bought, what I think of it, and my first impressions of everything. So that's what today's video is. Without further ado, let's get right into it. First, let's get into the Colourpop boxes. Off topic, but I bought this like address cover thing off of Amazon, so I quickly just went ahead and like rolled it around the package so you guys wouldn't see my address, but I think it is so good. It just covers it up. But I ordered two separate things from Colourpop. I spent like $112. They were having a sale a while ago. Not gonna lie, I've had these boxes kind of chilling in my room for quite a while. But I'm going to get into that. I'm just going to quickly open both of them so it doesn't take that long. This box should be, I think it's the mascara. When the mascara came out, they had a promotion where you buy the mascara, you got free shipping, and you got makeup removing wipes on the side. So I was like, free shipping and free makeup wipes? Sign me up. I had already purchased this big one prior to that, so I just picked up this one, and I assume this is what's inside the box, even though it's a pretty big box for two items. First, it came with a card. It says thanks a latte. And then these are what I got, which I don't know why it has two, but it came with the brown and the black. These are just the mascaras. I'll open one of them, the black one. This is what it looks like. That is what the wand looks like. It smells like a regular mascara. I like the wand. Interested to see how it goes, so I'm gonna use that one. It's the black and the brown like I mentioned, and then you got a free pack of makeup wipes. These ones I've already used and tested them out. I don't use makeup wipes a lot. Usually when I'm home I wash my face myself, but I do have a pack of this at my boyfriend's house, so they're just quick and easy to use when I go over to his house. I really like them. They're really good. They have aloe in them. They're not too strong smelling. They get the job done. I love them. They don't irritate my skin. They don't leave them too dry. This is 30 wipes. I think originally it's like $12 to $15. 30 wipes for free. I only paid $12 for like all of this together for shipping and everything, 12 bucks, so that's a steal. Moving on to the next Colourpop box. I love their packaging. The box is so cute. This is the big one that I bought a bunch of stuff from. This one was around $100 for this box. First item that we have is this trio. These are so cute, of lip masks that they came out with. Look at how pretty the packaging first of all, and then the actual containers. It comes with three. This is the coconut. They have a rose flavor scented one, and lastly a strawberry. These are the three that it came with. I'm super excited to try that. I love lip masks. Also picked up the daily eye cream from Fourth Ray Beauty. I already had this one, wanted to back up. Honestly, I purchased this one before Teami sent me one of their eye creams. I've been using the Teami one nonstop. I think it is phenomenal. It has vitamin C. This one's also really good, but right now I'm just loving the Teami one. Fourth Ray Beauty came out with these Kiss and Tell lip patches, which was one of the reasons I made this purchase in the first place, because I just thought it was so cute. They're like little lip masks. This is the packaging. It comes with this, so you can like pick it up. And these are them. They're like little masks. I'll pick one up. That's what they look like. And it's just a cute little lip mask. So I saw that, and this is why I made the whole purchase. I love it. I think it's so cute. Three more things. I got two of my Ride or Die No Filter Translucent Setting Powders from Colourpop. I have been using these for 2 years now. These are the only setting powders that I use. Super affordable. They don't give me a white cast. Like, I just absolutely love them. They help my makeup stay on perfectly. Don't make me oily. Like, they are just perfect. I love them. So I've talked about this a million times before. Every time I order from Colourpop, I have to include these. So I just picked up two of them. Again, it is in the shade Translucent, and they are perfect. And lastly, I picked up this from Fourth Ray Beauty. Fourth Ray Beauty has actually some really good things. I own this one already, and I actually brought it over to my boyfriend's house one day when we were doing like skincare. Sometimes I make him do like face masks with me, and I brought this over, and he loved this side of it and he loved using it. So I got him his own. One side, as you can see, is just smooth, while the other one has little dents. And so this one feels so nice. I love popping mine in my skincare fridge. So I did pick my boyfriend up one of his own. Next up, we've got this giant box from e.l.f. Cosmetics, which I'm so excited. I've never ordered anything online from e.l.f., but they were having like 40% off their entire website. So everything in this box was $46. So everything I'm about to show you, I paid $46 for, which is phenomenal because wait till I show you guys what I picked up. But item number one, look at this packaging. Oh my gosh, it is so bright and vibrant. But this is a mystery box. Has 12 different items in here, so I'm quickly gonna open this up and I'll show you guys in 1 second. But oh my god, the packaging is so pretty. And then the back, oh my god, the back too. I thought the back was plain. It looks plain without light. It looks just like silver and white, like you can't tell. I also picked up the Putty Primer, which I got little samples. If you didn't see, I did like a drugstore haul and I picked up their little samples with their 3 little primers, and I really liked this one, so I just decided to pick up a full size because again, 40% off, why not? Also picked up this cute little sponge set. Has like cute little colors, again holographic. I've never used any of their sponges, but hopefully they're good. Next thing I picked up is this brush. I have seen this brush going around social media. Everybody loves it. Apparently it's supposed to be for the Putty Primer, so you can pick up the Putty Primer with this side and then just put it on your face with this side. This is the Putty Primer applicator. Of course, I mean the name suits what it does. This is the brush. It's a really good size. Oh, I like that. I really like this actually. It's a cute little brush, great size. 10 out of 10, already really like this. Last thing that I got, this was a gift with purchase. You can pick like a couple things, and this is what I picked for my gift. It says, "Our gift to you, thanks for being elfing amazing." Oh, that's cute. It is a powder blurring brush. The color is so pretty. And this is it. So that is everything. I'm gonna unbox this, but before I actually unbox this, you have found the secret giveaway, my 10K giveaway. So as you guys know, if you have not seen the announcement of me announcing my 10,000 subscriber first giveaway, I have 3 giveaways coming. The third one might be a little late. I might drag it into June, but for the other one, if you've missed that one, it'll be up over here so you can go enter. You have until May 31st to enter that one, and then same for this one. For prize number 2, which is this one right now, it has a prize value of $300. It is open internationally. You can go ahead and enter as many times as you like. First thing you have to do is make sure you are subscribed. So subscribe down below, have the notification bell turned on. Make sure to like this video and comment down below if you have a pet and what kind of pet it is. Is it a dog? What kind of dog is it? Is it a turtle, a cat? Let me know what you have, what breed it is, and what their name is. So that is all you have to do to enter. You know, I feel so much love and I'm so appreciative of you guys, especially for my last video talking about my dog and what we found out. I honestly can't thank you guys enough for all the positive and sweet comments that you left in that video. If you haven't seen that one, it'll also be linked up here, but that one kind of inspired me to learn more about you guys and what pets you have. You will have a chance to win these amazing products, which I will show you one by one, but really quickly, unlike the first one, I'm not going to tell you the price of every single one, but you can kind of go back and see because a lot of them are similar to the first prize. We're going to speed through this. So first of all, obviously, again, my Gerard Cosmetics favorites, so you will have a chance to win 4 lip liners, a liquid lipstick, and a gloss. So these are my absolute favorite liners. They are in the shade Sheer, Mudslide Nude, and Sugar and Spice. You will get a lip gloss in the color Nude and a Hydro Matte lipstick in the color Everything Nice. Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice, the perfect pair. Yes, a little Powerpuff Girl reference. You will get your own pair of Swarovski earrings. Like I mentioned in the other one, all 3 prizes will have these earrings. I'll show you guys this one quickly. These are them. They have little Swarovski crystals, little mini hoops. Next up, we've got the insert name here, hairbrush. This is the Don't Be Naughty. Look how cute the packaging is. They were nice enough to donate their hairbrush straightener and then this hairbrush as well. Absolutely love this one. This is what it looks like. This one is mine. Sorry for the hair, it's everywhere, but it says brush your worries away. It is such a good hairbrush. I cannot rave about this hairbrush enough. Like, I absolutely love it. I do use it all the freaking time. It is so good. I love the bristles. I don't want to show you the other side because, again, I use it all the time and I haven't cleaned it in a while. But you get your chance to win that. You will also get some hair accessories. Silk scrunchies are my favorite, as you guys know. And then a cute brown clip, super similar to the clip in the prize for number 1, but I just changed up the color so you get a cute like chocolate brown one. Also had to include a little bit more makeup, so we've got a highlighter slash blush palette. This is the Revolution Makeup Revolution London palette. Really pretty. And this is what it looks like. I love highlighters and blush. I have been super into highlight and blush lately, so I had to hook you guys up with a cute little highlight and blush palette. And then also Colourpop had to throw in, this is the blush from their Valentine's Day collection. It is in the shade Love Me Not. It is this red, you guys. The red one is so pretty. This is the one that sold out the fastest. Don't be scared of the super red color. Trust me, I have it. I have all 3. I love this one. It's really cute, but a little does go a long way. I will warn whoever wins this, a little goes a long way, but it blends out so pretty and I just absolutely love how it looks. So that is the physical products that you can win. And lastly, you will be able to win a $50 electronic H&M gift card. I've recently started working with H&M and absolutely love them. I love the clothes they sent. Again, as I mentioned always, some things are a little hit or miss, so I didn't want to pick out something for you guys, plus I didn't know what size the winner would be and all of that, so we just decided, safe to say, $50 H&M gift card. You guys will be able to pick whatever you guys want from the website. And lastly, now we will get back into opening this beautiful e.l.f. Cosmetics thing. Should we go in order? I guess we will go in order. Number 1, ooh, a brow product. Item number 1 is this brow gel. This is what it looks like. I really like using a lot of these. I have the Essence one, I have the Colourpop one, and now I have an e.l.f. one. Number 2. Item number 2 is this lipstick, which is really pretty actually. Let me do a little... It feels hydrating. This is in the shade Taffy Caramel Mousse. Seriously Satin. Number 3, a hydrating face cream. Number 4, ooh, this one is so pretty. I've had my eye on this. That is so cute. I've seen these in Shoppers and they also sell them on Amazon. This is it. I'm gonna try this one right here. We'll just try one really quickly. Oh wow. Okay, actually, you know what? Let's try all of them. This is the next one. Oh, what? For the price, that is actually so good. Next, we'll do this one. Wow, I'm actually so surprised at how pigmented they are. And lastly, we got this one over here. This one is, you can barely see this one. It blends in with my skin a lot. Number 5. Looks like an eyeliner. Oh, it's a brush. Oh, cute. This is their blending brush. Makes sense for the eyeshadow. Number 6. Ooh, is this their eyeshadow stick? I think this is their eyeshadow stick. Yes, their liquid glitter eyeshadow. Oh my goodness. This so far has had amazing things inside. We'll put it right here. Oh wow, super pigmented. A little goes a long way. Look at the color. Number 7. The Poreless Putty Primer. I knew this could be one of the ones inside and I was just like, you know what, if I have to, I have to, whatever. And now we have 2. Next we have number 8. I'm assuming it's like a setting spray. Yes, the Makeup Mist and Set, which I've never used this from e.l.f., but interested to see how it works. Number 9 looks like a lip product. I love this one. Ride or Die Boss Berry. I have the mint one and then the grapefruit one, the light pink one. Alright, 10. This is it. It's just a gloss. Has like iridescent glitter inside if you can see. Number 11 looks like the shape of a beauty sponge. which it is a cute like purple one. Oh, I love the color. Really cute. And lastly, this is an interesting shape, if you guys can see. Interesting. I honestly have no idea what shape this is. Oh, cute. Little eyelash curler. This retails originally for $45, but again, I got it on sale, so I paid $27. So everything inside was $2 basically, and that is a phenomenal price for this. Highly recommend you picking it up when it's on sale because you get 12 things for $27. This retails for $8. Again, I got it on sale. It was $4.80. So this alone, retail value is $8. I paid $27 for all of this together. It is a steal still in my opinion, so highly recommend checking them out. But that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have made it this far for whatever reason and have not watched the entire video, highly suggest you go and actually watch the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!